You've clicked on this video to find out about quality score in Google Ads. You've noticed that no matter how much you spend, your performance is not getting any better. Well, there's a special system that Google has put in place that I've mentioned in many of my other videos called quality score. The purpose of this is to give everyone a fair playing ground. In this video, we're going to find out what is quality score and why is quality score important. So let's get into it.
What is quality score? Why is quality score?
Let's take a real world example. One of your customers is a new mom that is looking for school shoes for her 4-year-old who is just about to start school. She's going to go onto Google and type in school shoes for my 4-year-old. Now, there is one company that is your possible competitor that sells school shoes. Then there is you who sells shoes for 4-year-olds. Her search term contains school shoes and shoes for 4-year-olds. The first thing that Google is going to look at is the search term entered by the potential customer and how does this match up with the keywords that you have available in your account. If your keywords are school shoes and shoes for 4-year-olds, Google knows, okay, that is a good match. What happens now is Google gives you a rating out of 10 for this match. And Google will do this every time that there is a search done on Google. The next thing to make it even more competitive is Google will look at the ad copy that you have available. So on the one hand, this account is mentioning school shoes, everything about school shoes. Whereas your account is mentioning shoes for kids, shoes for boys, girls, 4-year-olds, so on. Google's going to think, what is the best match so that when displaying this ad, the potential customer is likely to click on it? Because take a step back and think about Google. What they want is to serve up the best ad for a customer so that the customers will actually click on the ad. That's how Google makes money. So it's in Google's best interest to serve the best performing ad. This means the one that matches the intent of the potential user the best. So your ad copy mentions shoes for 4-year-olds, whereas the other ad copy mentions school shoes. At the moment, it still seems very neck and neck. It still seems like we don't know who to choose. So let's assume we both get an 8 out of 10 for that. The last step, and probably the most important step, Google is going to look at the landing page. This is the page that when clicked on the ad is displayed to the potential customer. The reason that this is important is because the landing page has a lot of information relevant to the intent of the search. So someone looking for school shoes for 4-year-olds is obviously looking for school shoes. Now, if your landing page has shoes that are not related to school, whereas the other one has school shoes in different age groups, Google is going to recognize that this potential customer can search on the website for the specific age group that they're looking for. And there is shoes dedicated to school. So that means that this potential customer is going to get a better quality score and have a better chance of showing up above your ad, even if you have a potentially higher budget or you're willing to pay more. Google isn't looking for someone who is willing to spend a lot of money. What they're doing is looking for the best user journey. So this potential customer that has put a search into Google looking for a specific product sees an ad relevant to what they're searching for, clicks on it, and is served a landing page or a page of your website that is relevant to what they're looking for. This would be a 10 out of 10 quality score. This means no matter what you're trying to pay, you cannot outbid a 10 out of 10 quality score. However, if you also have the same quality score for the search, because it's not possible to have every single search in your keywords, so this is where broad match comes in. But let's say you have the same quality score. This is where whoever's willing to pay more comes into play. So if you have more of a budget available throughout the day, you haven't spent so much that day. If your quality score is the same at this point, this is when your ad will display in the number one spot. So it's not about how much you're willing to spend, it's about the setup of your campaigns to ensure that we have the best user journey. Keep in mind, user journey is the main key in this whole topic. So when you are constructing your ads and your ad copy, when you are building out your campaign, keep the user journey at the top of your mind. You don't need clever ad copy. You don't need to try and trick someone. All you need to do is ensure that the user journey gives you a 10 out of 10 quality score. So the search matches the keyword, matches the ad copy, matches the landing page. So what I find works best is if you work backwards from the landing page to what the potential searches would be. That's how you can find your keywords and then build your ad copy around that. Now, quality score is still up for debate if it is the main key in Google Ads. Obviously, if you have a lot more money to spend, you can run ads for longer in the day. You have more potential for showing up. But if there's anything in this video that I didn't mention, or perhaps I got wrong, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos about Google Ads, Facebook ads, and anything in between. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Also, click on the pop-up banner so that you can check out the playlist for Google Ads. Thank you. Bye-bye.
We can understand together. What is quality score? Why is quality score?